Tomato suckers. So should you prune or should you not prune? This is one of the very common questions in gardening, and in my case they literally saved my tomato plants. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you the updates of my tomato plants, and I will also be reporting them to its final location. So as you can see, they have already grown up and it's ready to be repotted. So let's start. So these are all the tomato plants that I'm growing right now. So currently there are 6 of them. So out of all these, this is the one that is growing really well and it has no issues as of now. In fact, it has already started getting some buds in it. And regarding rest of the tomato plants, let me tell you, in my last post I had mentioned that their tips were kind of burned. So I'm not sure about the exact reason why they have this burn like tips, but I had hoped that they would grow some suckers from the corners, and here you can see it has grown a beautiful sucker, and now these suckers will take place of the main branch. So on a whole, if you see this plant, you will feel that there is no issue in this plant because of this sucker. So usually people advise to remove the suckers from the plants so that there is only one main stem to make it more productive. But since I had this burn like issue on these plants, I thought of allowing the suckers to grow. I mean, that was the only other option that was remaining. If the tips itself is burned, then it has no way to grow from there. So, and here you can see that this is actually looking like a main branch, and there is one more sucker that is growing from below, from this corner, and I will allow even that to grow just in case if this develops any problem. So in all of the plants which had this burn like tips, we have this sucker that is growing really well. Even here you can see this was the main tip, this was the main branch before, which has burn leaves, and here this is the sucker that has grown out of it. Even here. So this is a closer look at it. And now this has grown. And all the suckers are looking healthy as well, they are not looking weak. So we will go ahead and repot them. And here there is an empty pot. So there was one more tomato plant. It did not make it. It was weak from the beginning itself, and it also got the burn like thing, and it completely got destroyed. So I just wanted to show you, that's why I have kept this empty pot over here. So in the beginning I had 7 plants, now I have 6. Here in another plant I have a separate issue. I don't know what this is. It looks like some curly leaf issue. So I have some chili plants in my balcony, and there were some plants which got this curly leaf issue, and similar thing I am observing here in this tomato plant. So what I will try to do, it is showing some suckers picking out from this nodes. So what I will do is I will cut this off, because I feel that it will trigger all these suckers to grow out quickly. Otherwise it will take its own sweet time. Okay, so let's start repotting them. All the roots have started coming out of the bottom holes. So ideally I should have reported this 1 or 2 weeks back. Anyways, just look at the roots. Oh my god. It's good that it is not root bound yet, but it has grown a lot of roots. And all the roots are looking actually healthy, nice and white. Alright, so what I just did was I removed some bottom leaves from all the plants. This gives some gap between the soil and the plant. It is said that this helps in avoiding diseases from spreading from the soil to the plants. So I have finally reported all my plants to their final location. So let's see how that goes. So this is how it looks. I have kind of potted them in different sizes. So this one is an 8-inch pot. These two are 10-inch pots, and these two are 15 by 15-inch grow bags. Also in these two bags, what I've done is in one I have placed only one plant, and this one I have placed 2 plants. By trying out all these variations, I will kind of get to know the optimum condition in which the tomato plants can thrive. Also, another point to keep in mind when repotting tomato plants is to place them little deeper into the soil. In tomato plants, whatever stem comes in contact with the soil, you will see roots forming from those areas. So this helps in developing a better root system for the plant, and it will make it more stronger. So the key takeaway in here is to not prune all the tomato suckers. At least in my case it was helpful. So I will be keeping couple of suckers as is and won't be pruning them. So that will serve as a backup just in case if anything goes wrong with the top tip of the plants. So that is it for today's video. I hope you liked this video and found this useful. If you want to see more such videos, you can consider birds. If you like this video, you can consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks, and see you in another video. Bye.